Seaborn's kernel density estimation plot is a powerful tool for visualizing the distribution of data. It provides a smooth, continuous representation of the underlying probability density function of a dataset, making it easier to identify patterns and trends. With Seaborn's KDE plot, you can easily visualize the shape of the distribution, detect outliers, and compare multiple distributions within the same plot. The plot is created by estimating the probability density function of the data using a kernel function, which is essentially a smooth version of the histogram. Let's start. As always, please make sure to import the baseline packages of Python that will be used for data analysis. Now let's import the built-in dataset of penguins that we have used in our previous lecture of histograms. Now run the head function to explore the dataset. It's basically about the physical attributes of different penguin species. Let's visualize the distribution of body mass using KDE plot. You can always use Shift+Tab within function brackets to have a look at complete function arguments. Here we will provide the parameter to KDE function, namely data, and X parameter. In X parameter, pass the body mass argument and press Shift+Enter to run the function. Perfect. Now you see a KDE plot for body mass, which is basically a smooth distribution of body mass with values ranging 1500 and 6500. Majority of values like within 3000 and 4000 range. You can use bandwidth adjust argument to readjust the sampling rate of distribution. This feature will help to capture variation within distribution of a parameter. But be careful not to make it noisy with very small value of bandwidth adjust. You can also break up this distribution as per species using hue parameter, as we have seen previously in histogram section. Great! Now you see KDE plot for 3 penguin species. To make it aesthetically appealing, you can use multiple equals stack argument that will generate filled distributions. Perfect! See you in the next lecture. And make sure to like and subscribe for exciting updates on this data analysis series.